Hello everyone, I'm Manal from DualDev. The biggest bottleneck in government contracting is not writing proposals. It's chasing subcontractors for their data. You email them, no response. They send incomplete information, you follow up again. You copy everything in a spreadsheet, and then by then, the deadline is already here. Today, I'm going to show you how to completely eliminate that problem by building a self-service teaming portal that collects and qualifies your subcontractors automatically. This is what most GovCon teams deal with. New applications, low qualification scores, incomplete data. Maybe they submitted something else, but it's not usable. And now, your team is stuck chasing emails, verifying certifications, manually entering data. This is not scalable. Now compare that to this. Fully qualified, high score, ready to plug into a bit. The difference here is not the tool, it's the system. Most people think Monday.com is where data starts. It's not. Monday.com is where data is organized and managed. The real system starts before this board even exists. We have 3 categories set up for the bids: under review, qualified partners, and new applicants. This way, we can easily track which category of the group a bid lands into. And this is where most people stop. They build a board like this, manually enter every subcontractor. That works for 2 or 3 partners. But if you're managing 10, 20, or even 50 subcontractors, manual entry becomes your biggest point of failure. So instead, we remove the human bottleneck. Instead of chasing partners, we give them a self-service intake portal. This can be built using tools like Monday.com form provided in the view. Partners can fill out the capabilities, certifications, and contact information. And most importantly, it's standardized. We typically use tools like the Monday.com form because they create a really clean, mobile-friendly experience for partners. Now here's the key piece. That data doesn't stay in the form. It gets directly pushed into Monday.com. So instead of manually typing all of this, every submission automatically creates a structured record. No copy-pasting, no errors, no delays. This is where most teams unlock scale. Now let's look at our timeline view. And we can also look at this from an operational perspective. We're not just collecting subcontractors, we're managing them over time. We can see when partners enter the system, how long they have been in review, where delays are happening, and which tasks look like they're dependent on each other. If you're waiting until an RFP drops to start collecting this data, you're already behind. The firm that wins faster have this system running 24/7 in their background. What this system actually does is eliminates email fatigue, reduces data entry errors, speeds up partner qualification, gives leadership real-time visibility, and instead of reacting, you're prepared before the opportunity even hits. Let's go back to our main table. This isn't just a Monday.com board. It's an architecture. We have the portal, automation, structured qualification, and the ready-to-use partners. Software is just a tool. Architecture is what creates scale. If you would like to build something like this for your team, check out the tools linked below or schedule a discovery call with us.